In this video, we will take a look at the page properties. To locate the page property, simply select a page and navigate to the page property over here. Another way of going about this is simply right-clicking on an empty space on the page you want to navigate to the page property and select Page Properties. In the page property window, we have 5 categories of page properties. We have General, Style, Meta Tags, Miscellaneous, and Events. For now, we will cover some few items over here under General. The first on the list is Title. Title normally loads on top of the browser tab. Let me just open my browser for you to have a look at what I'm talking about. In our case, we had a title page, and over here we have Contact Us. I think Contact Us means something much more better as compared to Untitled page, and you wouldn't want to have Untitled page on your website. So to change that, you simply come back to your site properties and change this to something better. In my case, I'm going to use either Homepage, or let's just use the name of our website project you are going to be working on, Dwelling Places. The next after that is Menu Name. Menu Name is going to be our menu option. So I'll change this from Index to Home. Mind you, menu name is not supposed to be the same as the page name over here. What I mean is, menu name for Homepage shouldn't be the same as Index. So you can change this to something much more better. Either Home, Overview, Dwelling, or anything meaningful. Next is Page Width. And page width we have 970 pixels. We will leave 970 pixels as it is. Next is File Extension. And when you click on the drop down arrow, it gives you 5 categories of file extensions. In our case, or in our website project, what we are going to be using is going to be the .html and the .php. For now, we will leave this on .html. You realize I skipped page height. Well, page height keeps changing as and when and what we keep putting on our page. So for now, we will leave the page height as it is. Under Target Screen, we have sizes of targeted screens over here. You only use a target screen when you are targeting a particular device you are going to be developing for. In our case, we are going to use user defined. And under Doc Type or Document Type, when you click on the drop down arrow, it gives you 3 categories. We have HTML 4.01 transitional, XHTML 1.0 transitional, and HTML5. Well, in our case, we will be using the HTML5. So just click on the HTML5 and that is fine. For the rest, we will talk about them later.